Everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Minions and Monsters surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minions and Monsters surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my picture this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Phillips. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a circle for an eye right here. Then I'm going to make a smaller circle over here for the other eye. I'm going to make a line above each eye to kind of make them look a little bit angry. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. And then a line that's going to curve here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a long kind of tentacle shape that's just going to kind of come down. And then we're going to curve it back around. And I'll do the same thing here, just kind of bring this long tentacle shape down. I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to make a little squiggly tentacle shape here. Then I'm going to make one here. And then one here. I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to make a little black dot here for the pupil and a little black dot here. Then I'm going to make a little line for a smile. Next, I'm going to make some oval shapes on here just to kind of show where those like suction cups are for the tentacles. So I'm just going to make some here and then put some over here too. I want to make a little line that's going to come down here for some detail. Now over here, I'm going to make Howard. So I'm going to begin by making a big kind of like oval shape for an eye. Then I'm going to make a little line across here. Over here, I'm going to make kind of like a half circle for an eye. I'm going to put a little dot here for a pupil and a little dot here. I'm going to curve this line around. And I'm going to make a line here with a big bump here. Next, I'm going to curve this line here. And I'll make a little line here with a line down. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm just going to make this kind of little wiggly line across and then bring this line up. Then we're going to make a line across here. For the feet, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and down, up and down like this. Then we're going to go down and up, down and up, down and up. We're going to make a little circle shape here for the belly. Then I'm going to make a little curved line here. I want to make a little point here and a little point here. I'm going to curve here and curve here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come across. And we're going to make two little seashells here. So I'm going to make a little circle shape here and one here. And then we're going to put some little lines on it to make it look like little seashells. I'm going to put a little line here and here under the eyes. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open it up, we have two halves of our monster. Now to start with Phillips, let's begin right here. I'm going to make this line come down. And I'm going to bring this line over and down to here. I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to make this line kind of curve around and down for one of the tentacles, and then bring it up here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and right to here. Then we can bring this up. Next, I'm going to put a bunch of sharp pointed teeth in here. And then some sharp pointed teeth right here as well. Then I'm going to put a long wiggly line for a tongue. Then we're going to draw a line down here. And another line right there for some detail. We're also going to make another little tentacle shape right here. And I'll go ahead and put some of those little oval shapes all along here. We can even put some underneath too. Now, over here on Howard, let's begin by drawing this line down. I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 little points. I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring this line over like this, and we're going to come down, in, and then connect. With Howard, I'm going to make some just kind of small, random little teeth that are pointed, and then we'll do the same thing here, just some small, random little pointed teeth. I want to make 1 and then 2 curves for the tongue. I'm going to bring this line down and then a second line down. And then I'm going to connect this here. Then I'm going to bring a little line here, here, and then here for his other hand. Now, starting in here, I'm just going to draw some of the little minions. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw James. So I'm going to start by making a little circle for the eye with a little dot inside of here. We're going to make a little line around it. I want to make a little curve shape here and connect it. I'll make a little line here for the mouth. We'll draw 2 lines for the straps on each side. I'm going to go down, over, and up with a little curve inside each one and a little square shape. I'm going to draw a little foot here and then a little foot here. Draw a little line down for the arm, a little line down, and we'll make little lines right across here for the gloves and the feet. We'll make little curved lines for his hair. Then I'm going to make a curve here, and then a bigger curve right here. I'm going to make a circle and a circle with 2 lines. I'm going to make circles inside, and then I'm going to make another circle and circle. And then I'll put 2 little dots inside each one. Little lines for the strap, and a little circle shape for the mouth. A little circle shape for the mouth. We'll make some little hairlines for Henry, and then we'll make just a few little random ones for Ed. Make a line across, and then a line across for their suspenders. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minions and Monsters surprise fold. When we have it all folded up, we've got Phillips and Howard looking down. And when we open it, they've got their mouths roaring with the Minions inside. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.